of a sudden, I realize that Doug has disappeared, and I see him scaling the face of this cliff, which is super high. And as you can see, there is a little rope to hang on to go up this super high cliff. And I am wondering if I am going to be leaving Europe by myself.
Okay, she might not have been sure, but I was quite sure I was going to survive that. It did definitely hurt, but it was worth doing. And it was so fun. And then look, my mermaid, she's swimming to me in slow motion. Here she comes, she's so pretty, my blondie.
So this La Grata bar you can actually reach via car. And you'll see on the upper part there's lots of parking and stuff. Or you can take a boat, which we did, because the boat tours from Palio Castriesta. I don't know if I'm getting that right.
Comment below if she got it wrong.
But it was great. We spent like 4 hours out on the boat. We went to La Grata Bar. We went to this cute little Lover's Cove, as they call it. We stopped at the Blue Caves of Paxos, which was really cool. It's kind of like the blue waters in Italy.
Yeah, that cave where you have to lie down in the boat to get
Exactly.
into. We haven't been there yet, so we don't remember the name.
But it was super awesome. The water is beautiful in Corfu. We absolutely loved it. You have to go. You got to take one of the boat rides from this cool little town. The village itself is so picturesque. It is absolutely worth a day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Doug and Nikki.